Hoş geldiniz arkadaşlar. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish tea. Tea is more than just the act of drinking. In many cultures around the world, it is a form of getting to know a person and culture better. It's a social way for friends and family to strengthen their relationships. If there's one country that loves tea as much as I do, it'll be Turkey. In Turkey, tea is called chai. The relationship of tea and Turkish culture runs deep in its history. Let's travel to Istanbul, Turkey, to learn more. A long time ago, tea wasn't native to Turkey. In 1878, tea seeds were imported all the way from Japan and planted in Bursa, Turkey. However, the soil was just not suitable for the cultivation of tea. Another attempt was made in 1918. The Turkish government assigned a famous botanist to find suitable areas for tea cultivation. That didn't work out either. To promote the consumption of tea, Mehmet İzzet, the governor of Adana at that time, published a tea pamphlet called Çay Rizelesi, a campaign made to highlight the benefits of tea. In 1924, Turkey passed a law calling for tea cultivation in the Black Sea around the region of Rize, where tea was more suitable for harvesting. The first tea factory opened in Rize in 1947. Today, it is known as the capital of Turkey's tea industry. Tea production had reached self-sufficiency in Turkey by 1965. Today, Turkey is one of the world's leading tea-producing countries with over 260,000 times production a year. Turkey topped the charts in 2016 for the highest per capita tea consumption in the world.
In Turkey, people consume more tea than water. Turks find any reason to drink tea. It could be for a wedding celebration or to hang out with friends. If you're sick, you drink honey and lemon with tea, of course. If you're a tourist, you wouldn't be surprised if your shopkeeper invites you over for a cup of tea. I'll say the same thing happened to me when I was in Istanbul. I had a lot of people that I didn't know invite me over for a cup of tea. Some famous flavors of tea are apple tea, linden, or rose hip tea. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the black tea, which is what I'm drinking right now. And it just so happened to be that I love tea as well. So when I think of tea, I think of my memorable moments when I was in Istanbul, Turkey.
Some Turkish words to know are çay bardağı, Siyah çay, çay kaşığı, su ısıtıcısı, şeker, bal. And that's the story of tea in Turkey. I hope you can visit Turkey one day and experience the tea culture there. Until then, see you next time. Bye. Hasta luego.